Hey guys, it's Monday, May the 20th. This month is flying by too. Hope everybody had a good weekend, ready for a good trading week. Of course, I didn't have a video on Friday because I don't trade on Fridays. For those of you who don't know, I haven't done that for a long, many years. I have a 3-day weekend every weekend. Pretty nice. So let's get the advertisements out of the way. This is just for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, because you can lose your money, all of it. It's very risky trading. So that's enough of the advertisements. On to the charts. Pound dollar is in a 1-hour sell. It's kind of running away though, so it needs a little push up into here for it to be a sell. If you took it right now, that has 127.25 and it's at 04.21, so it'd be a $24 risk, which is in my parameters. So I'm going to see if it's going to do, if it does a little push up, even about 10 pips from here, I'll put on a sell, and that will be the stop, the high of that arrows candle on the pound dollar. The Aussie dollar is in a 1-hour sell. It has been since Thursday. Is that right? Yes, Thursday. And it come back up into it right there. You see how it kind of sold off, ran away, didn't give you a chance. There's your chance to get in. Either there, and you still made money, even if you got in there worst case scenario. That was the best case right there, because that made a low risk trade. And you would have taken half off and you'd still be in this trade actually, because this would be your high right here after the push down, the little run up, come back down. That stopped right there. It would be your high from being in even over here. Would be good money. Pound CAD is in a 1-hour sell. It's trying to run away too, but there's nothing there to tell me enough. Kind of looks like this one, doesn't it? It ran up, come down, gap down, and then it took off. Got the same picture there. So that doesn't look like a good sell right now, but it is a low risk trade. The high of the arrows is 173.23 and it's at 05, so it's a $21 risk. If you got in right now, that would be your stop. Pound yen has made a 1-hour sell. All the pounds looks like is made a sell, and the pound yen is gapped down. But that doesn't, let's see where we look at the good ways till the next yearly pivot. So I may look, if this can push up a little bit more and it gives me a low risk trade, I may take that sell right there on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand was in a buy. That's as low as it came down, was 177.25. The low was 03.22, so a $27 risk right there. And it does look like a good buy even right here, because that would be pretty, about 50, almost 60 pips. Yeah, it would be 60 if you got in right now. Needed to come down a little bit more before I can get in, but I may go low risk trade here. I may just do a half a position on this trade, a buy. And I think that's what I'm going to do. Not a full position, a half a position. Pound New Zealand has run away. There was its opportunity. Let's squeeze this out. There we go. Looks better. There was its buy right there. Pull down. That risk would have been 206.70 to 207, 37 pips risk right there, which have been, I mean, that looks like 40 is becoming a number that I need to research a lot better. Possibly taking trades in there. I like 30 better, I like actually less than 30 better. But I'm seeing a lot of 40s when they're coming back to about 40 that they work. New Zealand yen is in a 1 hour sell. And let's see. Let's see, that would be the stop is right here. New Zealand yen 95.59, and we're at 31, so that's 28, 31. It's two. If it can come up and fill that gap down in, that low is 38. That would be 21, 24. Yeah, if it do that, I'm going to take the sell on the New Zealand yen if it can come up and fill that gap in. Euro Aussies and a 1 hour buy. That was a perfect one right there. Tried to run up, came back into it and took off, and it's got a gap down too. Maybe too late. Well, I'm gonna look at buying the Euro Aussie if it can come back down some more, somewhere down into here. Maybe about right in here. If you can come down into there. Look for a buy opportunity on the Euro Aussie tonight. Euro CAD, nothing to do there. Kind of run away on that sell. There was a poke back up, another poke back up, and you'd have made money on it right there. And yeah, that doesn't look like, I mean, if you got in right now, this would have to be your stop right there. And that high is 148.11, and we're at 88. So that's $23.26 risk, which is within my parameters. So I may look at taking the Euro CAD sell, and if it can fill in that gap, which would be not much more, about 4. What's that low? 89.8. We're at 88.1. About 2 more pips. Fill in the gap. This would be a sell on the Euro CAD. Pound Aussie has made a 1 hour sell. Gap down to a lot of things. Gap down. The pound. There's another one. CAD yen. Gap down. It's got a 1 hour sale. I'm only looking for sales on the pound yen, Euro yen, odd yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen. Only looking for sales. I am. So that doesn't look too bad, because that high, it's 72.581. Yeah, that doesn't look too good for a sell. But it is a low risk trade at 26 pips. And if it could come up and fill in that gap, that would be even better. If it does, I may look for a sell there. If it fills in the gap, look for a sell on the CAD yen. Euro yen, same thing. I don't want to do too many. I'm looking at the New Zealand yen, pound yen, CAD yen. I'm not going to take the Euro yen, even though the picture looks the same. Aussie yen's already in a sell. That was your opportunity right there. The sell come up, and you'd have been taking off half the position already, and you'd be moving your stop right now to break even. And if this pushes down, then you'd be bringing it down to here on the Aussie yen. So that's everything for today. I'll have another video tomorrow. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. The only reason I ask is that it just lets me know if I'm helping somebody, and I hope I am. I hope people are learning, do swing trading. Not a lot of people do it. Not a lot of people want to do it. A lot of people want fast money, and that's the fastest way to be able to blow your account, is fast money. Because like I said, I had a couple more people message me about wanting to buy my indicator, well, my arrows anyway. This is a parabolic SAR. You can get that anywhere, those dots. So that's out there. That's an RSI. That's out there anywhere. You can get both of those. But these you can't. And I won't sell them either. Won't ever sell them. I have no need to. I don't want somebody else taking credit for something that they didn't work on. And that's what usually happens. People get greedy. So we'll have another video tomorrow. This is being recorded. It'll be posted on YouTube in about 15 or 20 minutes. And I hope you guys have a good night. If you are in trades, please monitor them. Move your stops when you can. Take your profit when you can. Kind of take the pressure off. So that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.